Hello, welcome to Funky Flute. Today we are going to try and improvise just using one note. You might be thinking, that's crazy talk. We need to play lots of notes to play cool melodies. Or do we? A lot of us get very excited and then try to play lots and lots and lots of notes, really fast in fact, and end up being which is cool, but the audience might not know what you want to say. Music is communication, so we want to give the audience the time to digest what we are trying to say. So if we are going non-stop, the audience might be overwhelmed with the information. So we want to have a bit of phrase, gap, next to melody, gap. Just like talking. If I talked like this and there was no gap, it's really, really hard to understand what I'm saying. So I know I have an accent, but I try my best to make it as clear as possible to communicate. So just like that, when we play music, we want to try and have gaps so the other people who are listening to you can understand what you're trying to say. So today we are going to try improvising just using one note at a time. Instead of playing lots of notes, we are going to have to be more creative with our rhythm. So we need to think about what rhythm we might want to do. We have long notes, short notes, where to place the notes, and space is so important. So let's have lots of gaps and let's try and be as creative as possible so we can do interesting rhythms. So let's start on a C note. So you've got these two fingers. Let's try E flat. What about trying it on G note? So once you got used to improvising with one note, then you could try 2 notes, 3 notes, and so on. Next, let's try 3. Then you can increase it to 4 notes, 5 notes, multiple notes, all the notes. And you can gradually increase the colors in your palette. So I am going to put the link of just the backing track right underneath in the comments below. So please practice as much as you like and have fun. Please let me know how you get on. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. I hope to see you next time. Happy improvising! Bye!